Hey everyone, we're back. So this is going to be the first review kit, and I will have the amount I paid for it on the screen. This is the Amelio, however you say it, kit. So in this one, right here, as you see, the box is empty. You have clear acrylic. This is 30 grams, 1 ounce of acrylic. And then there is 1.3 ounces of monomer. This is a 12-inch brush. Oval brush, of course, that came with it. Excuse my hands, they are ashy. I done washed my hands so many times. A dapping dish comes with it, and a nail file and forms. Basically, that was the concept that I was trying to have. Make sure that it has basically the basic essentials you would need. As you see, it did not come with any dehydrator or primer, so we're just using what's in the kit. I did use 2 extra items, which was this dropper to grab the monomer out, so that was the extra thing I used. And also I'm going to be using a lint-free wipe in a minute to clean off the glue, the residue that's on the brush, to keep it together. Sorry how I sound. I had to run back in here, and of course this is a voiceover. But yeah, we're cleaning that off. And with these videos, I think I'm trying to do one nail because I don't want to mess up my fingers, and just in case, some type of monomer and polymer isn't right. I don't want to do all my nails with these things because they are inexpensive, but that doesn't mean that they are bad. So this is a form, and I'll go ahead and place this form. And of course I use the file to basically push back my cuticle, and to, like, of course not rough up, but to take the shine off my nails. So when you're doing sculpting, of course you want your free edge bead to be on the drier side, which I didn't have it too dry. I had it, pretty decent, but this this acrylic powder dried a little bit faster, on the faster side. So good thing I do like working with Young Nails speed powders, so I was able to move a little bit faster, because when you're getting to know a different powder, it's like you kind of take your time to see what it's about. And I actually learned from that first bead that, yeah, it sets fast, so I needed to move a little bit faster. So with this bead, I'm going in, and don't mind that finger. That finger will be moved out the way because it's going to get in the way for a moment, and I'm going to realize in a moment, and I'm going to lift it up. Oh, y'all, I am so tired. So tired. I've been running all day, but I said, you know what? Let me do this voiceover for this video because I'm running out of time and out of space on my phone. So now that's when I realized, okay, it's in the way. Move out the way. So I'm just basically blending it all in, and because I realized late that it was not late, but kind of that the powder sets fast. The edge of it, I needed to blend that back in, so I had to get 2 extra beads to clear that in. But like I stated, I'm mainly going to be using what really comes in the kit because other people may not have certain things. So when it comes down to me finishing this nail, I am going to use my file, but I am going to also use my drill as the very last moment to like get around the cuticles better, because I want to see how it wears as well, like how durable it is as well. So that's why I say, you know what, let me just go ahead and file it as well. And I'm going to show you the finger once I use just the file that they give you in the kit, and also how it looks once oh, that was a blink off, once I use the drill as well. So it does clink when it's finished, and it sets well. These forms are very durable and sturdy, like they didn't move. I really like those forms. They are very nice. The acrylic, I must say, is good. It is good, you guys. Like, seriously, it is good. I'm not, no tricks, none of that. It is good. And this is how it looks after you just use the file. and I just filed it. I didn't do anything else. All I used was the file that they gave us. So that's the outcome you would get. Now, here's the outcome you would get if you use your drill. You would be able to like make it smaller underneath, you know, blending it better. So as I stated, this is about an 8 out of a 10 for me if you were to purchase this acrylic system.